We have to place the figure in coordinate plane in convenient way and assign coordinates to each vertex. We have right triangle and leg lengths are 4 units and 3 units. So first let me draw XY plane, x-axis and y-axis. Because we have 4 units and 3 units, so we need to choose unit. And next, because we have right triangle and we know that between y and x-axis is right angle, so we will place our triangle in the origin, will be first vertex 0, 0. And because it is easy to find the lengths of horizontal and vertical segments and distances from point 0, 0, we place one vertex at the origin and we will put legs of our right triangle on the x-axis one and one on the y-axis. So one leg has 4 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have second vertex. At this point we have coordinates 4 and y is 0. On the x-axis the second coordinate is always 0. And the second leg we will put on the y-axis. Why? Because we need to have right triangle and it's easy to find the distance horizontal or vertical segments. We have 4, so now we can put 3. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter, you can put 3 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3. I just choose 4 on the x and 3 on the y-axis. So this point has coordinates. On y-axis, first coordinate is always 0 and second is 3 at this point. Now we can connect these 2 points. So we have our right triangle and we have one leg is 4. The distance from the origin to this point is 4 units, and from this point to that is 3 units. Like I said, you can put 4 on the y-axis and 3 on the x-axis. So this is my solution.